Across the country, schools are adapting to the digital age of education. With computer use becoming more and more prominent, the use of standard textbooks is now on the decline. While there are pros and cons to both mediums, the question begs, which type of medium is more effective for reading comprehension? Is it standard textbooks with its black text on paper? Or, with today's digital generation, is there a higher comprehension rate reading from e-text? Our savvy team of researchers went on a quest to find the answer. Prior to the experiment, we unveiled past research that shows that enhancing white paper with color can improve reading on paper. We also uncovered research that compared reading from paper versus digital reading. However, those studies measured how quickly one read rather than content comprehension. With this information in hand, we established our study to be reading comprehension based on medium type and devised our procedures. We would provide each participant with content in different mediums, followed up by a 6-question multiple-choice test to evaluate comprehension. 4 different mediums were presented to participants. They were presented randomly to eliminate an order effect. Text on white paper, a tablet with a white background, text on green paper, and a tablet with a green background. Here's a demonstration of how the experiment was performed. The participant was given the text on white paper first, with as much time as needed to read the content. Once he completed the reading, he returned the text and received the 6-question multiple-choice test. After testing, the participant was given the next medium, in this case, the green paper. The same process was then repeated for the 2 tablet mediums, one with the white background and one with the green background. The amount of correct answers for each participant was recorded and then analyzed. So what are the implications of this study? Having a better understanding of how people retain information could lead us to finding the most effective study methods when there are multiple mediums offered.